when we are doing yoga, then we have to make a complete class. That means 90 minutes to be done. But when you do some small postures for 5 minutes or 3 minutes or something, it may not give you the complete total view of a complete package. It cannot give. For that reason, I make 90 minutes videos, but 90 minutes videos are not viewed by many people because they don't have time. They go fast. So I wanted to make some short videos. Okay. Now you see this Utthita Padmasana. The benefits. What are the benefits? Let me first do this. Om 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 Om. This Utthita Padmasana, first it is completely seen that it strengthens your arms. Okay, these portions, it gives a little impact on these joints. Okay, wrist joint and elbow joint. Further, it moves your pranic energy upward. That is the objective of yoga. When Honorable Nikam Guruji, when he teaches yoga, he always gives emphasis on Mulbandh. When you do Mulbandh, then your kidney portion, liver, heart, this and pancreas, these things are impacted because you make a hold, kind of hold. So when I do this Utthita Padmasana, definitely I make Mulbandh. I don't forget to make Mulbandh. Om 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 Om. Okay. So always when after doing this Utthita Padmasana, I always do Maha Bandh. Mahabandh is an extension of Baddha Padmasana. This is Baddha Padmasana. Okay. So Baddha Padmasana, extension of Baddha Padmasana is Mahabandh. Mahabandh means compressing your Mulbandh, Udyan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. So when you make this Mahabandh, in Mahabandh also you do breathing and breath out, and don't close your eyes, you look at your nose. आपान ऊर्ध्व उत्था आपान ऊर्ध्व उत्थाय प्राण तथा दधानयेत् च नासाग्रे मालकयात् बद्ध पद्मासन तिष्ठत् एवं व्याधि विनाशकारी पद्मासनम प्रोच्यते. The shloka is like this. So apana urdhva utthaya means we have 15 airs, pranic airs. Out of that we are discussing about 5. So apana urdhva utthaya, this air which is the air which is working at the lower abdomen, we call that apana. Apana urdhva utthaya means raise the apana air, prana tatha dodhana means put the pranic energy on that prana air, that breathe in, breathe out. Okay. So nasagre malakayat means at the nose tip you try to look at your nose tip, thereby your concentration increases. Baddha padmasana tishtat, you stay in baddha padmasana. Above vyadhi vinashakari padmasanam procyate. This posture is helpful in removing most of the disease, because you are controlling the air and mind and concentration, because you are putting looking at your nose tips, you are making a kind of meditation. Okay, so how many times this to be done? This Utthita Padmasana you can do up to 10 times. If you count in minutes, then up to 10 minutes you can do. In many 10 times, 12 times, each time it is 1 minute. Like this 10 times you can do. And 10 times also you can do Mahabandha. Why we call this Mahabandha? Because we are affecting Mulubandha, Udyan Bandha and Jalandhar Bandha. I will show you again. This is Utthita Padmasana. Om, 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 Om. And then this is Mahabandha. And I am doing tongue reversal posture also. Khechri Mudra. I am doing Khechri Mudra. Khechri Mudra, there is told that, it is told that नच जरा व्याधितस्य नच क्षुधा तृष्णान्तस्य नच मृत्यु भयतस्य जोबेडी मुद्रा खेचरी. Okay, so it even it activates the chakras also. At the end, I do Ashwini Mudra in Mahabandha. After I release breathing, after exhalation, I do Ashwini Mudra. So it is a many bandhas and many postures are included in these two things, Utthita Padmasana and Mahabandh. Okay, thank you, namaste, pranam to all of you.